Right now, families working to help cleaning up after the floods destroyed much of their belongings. In too many cases, homeowners are finding out they don't have the insurance coverage they thought they did.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russell is live in Taylor on one street where homes are still surrounded by floodwaters. And Kim, how bad is the damage there?
Oh my gosh, it's pretty bad. There are homes that are surrounded by floodwaters. There are basements that are filled with waters. As you can see, there are crews down the street working on the drains. And I'm going to go on a tangent here and say, do not let your children swim in these floodwaters. I've told these kids multiple times that this is sewage water filled with pathogens with the potential to give them, let's be honest, diarrhea. Do not let your kids go in this water. Now let's get to the story. It started early in the morning yesterday. Samantha Fletcher says an alarm went off around 2 a.m. and she realized the drain in the basement was overflowing.
Usually whenever we have an issue with the drains, it's very minimal and we can clean it up quickly with a shop vac. So by about 5 o'clock, it was to our ankles. And then it just kept rising.
This is a look at the damage. The water has destroyed her electronics, her bedroom, furnace, water heater, washer and dryer. Plus her house smells like sewage.
It smells like a porta potty.
She called her insurance company to make a claim and found out she does not have flood or sewer backup coverage. She says she's a new homeowner and did not realize they were not standard.
That's what you buy it for, if something catastrophic happens. This, to me, is catastrophic.
She's not alone. We're hearing from others in the same situation. Is there any help available? We reached out to attorney Nicholas Dragolis. He says insurance companies don't have a legal obligation to explain what's not covered. Could there be any relief? He says a lawsuit or government action might help.
Sometimes if the flooding gets bad enough, there's state or federal government resources made available to people who meet certain criteria. In the past, there's been civil actions brought against different municipalities arising out of the failure to properly maintain the sewer systems.
Something needs to be done to the insurance company. They need to be regulated on how they are setting up these policies within the community.
So her idea is that insurance companies should be forced to tell you, hey, heads up, you don't have flood insurance, you don't have sewer backup insurance. But the fact is, right now, they have no obligation to warn you of that. So the bottom line, if you're wondering, gosh, do I have that coverage? Call and check, ask the question, and I'm going to repeat it. Do not let your children go in this water. It is gross. Reporting live in Taylor, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
Good for you, Kim. Sometimes you have to get your mom on. It takes a village. Thank you.